Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix DB Legends data transfer failed. So the first thing that you can do to fix this issue, the first fix that you can actually do is to actually try to connect to another connection, see if your Wi-Fi network is actually working perfectly or not. Sometimes this problem will be a network problem, so you need to only turn off your Wi-Fi, try to turn on and turn off airplane mode, try to use another Wi-Fi connection or something, or you can try to restart your router or your phone. The next fix that we have is to actually open your settings. So just open the settings app. After that, go to general. Now from the general settings, you need to scroll all the way down till you see Dragon Ball Legends or DB Legends. Click on it, and now from here you need to click on offload app. So offloading the app is like deleting the cache or some temporary saved files. So these files might be bugged and deleting it might actually fix your issue. So try just clicking on offload the app. After that, click on offload app again, and now you can see if your issue is fixed. The next thing that you can actually do is to try to use the app in another device. So sometimes the problem is a device problem, not a game problem or an app problem. So this problem might be caused by your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.